I'm sorry. Dino po. Why are you here in the Philippine Embassy?
Because of my friend Philip.
Oh, Philip! Hi! Uy, friends! Pakilala mo naman sa akin to! Friendship kayo si Philip. Oh my God! Are you single?
I don't know.
Yeah, you're single. You know, I like tall guys. Oh my God! Ilmas Bectas! Hi! What's your name?
Lionel.
Huh?
Lionel.
Lion, like that. Lionel. Lionel.
Lionel.
Lionel, like beauty is in the eye of the like that lion. Ano ba yun? Beauty is in the tiger pala yun. Charot. Are you single?
I hope.
I hope. Are you guys boyfriend? Pisting, ayaw ka mabakla. Boyfriend, no. No boyfriend na. Single la. Ready to mingle, okay. So, where are you from? From France, about you?
Yeah, France.
France. What's I love you in France?
The girl.
What's I love you in France? Huh? What's I love you?
Je t'aime.
Je t'aime? Ako maputi. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. I love you. I love you. Je t'aime sarap. Je t'aime. Je t'aime sarap. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Yes. Okay. Cause you know guys, I'm single and I'm looking for a boyfriend or friendship. I want to have Mr. Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand, Western Union 2016. So, you know, Miss Universe, pageant, you know, pageant. I'll put a microphone here, like this, and then you'll do this, yeah. This, yes. Yes, and then you like bomba, water, like that. Yes, hello. Anybody home? Conjuring. Hello. Yes, there you go. We'll play music and from here, guys. From here, 426 to plate number, may lalabas po. 426, like this guys candidate number 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Yes, ganon. Dance, walking. Good evening, Bangkok, Thailand! Sawadee ka! Ganon. Yun lang alam kong salita. Then, you'll introduce your name. My name is, and pick up line. Okay? Pick up line, ha? Let's choose guy, the best boy for me, okay? Let's start. Sample pick up line, okay. Sample pick up line. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Kuya, sino bang lalaki dito? Kuya? Sasagot kayo dapat ng, bakit? Ganon. Kuya? Ketchup ka ba? Kasi ikaw ang kailangan ng hotdog ko. Ganon yung mga pick-up line dapat. Hotdog na to. Independence Day naman. Okay, game. 1, 2, 3, and contestant number 1, welcome to Bangkok. Uy, dance mo ganun. Ten, ganon. Once again, welcome to Mr. Thailand 2016. Hatid sa atin ng Western Union candidate number 1, go! Wow! Yan! Ang ganda ng pagganon mo nakakaano agad Parang nabasa yung panty ko doon Okay, game, introduce.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Happy Independence Day.
Opo, nagbibinata po. Ano pong pick-up line mo para sa akin?
Pustiso ka ba?
Ay, bakit?
Kasi I can't smile without you.
Wow! contestant number 1. Next, contestant number 2.
Hi guys, my name is Jed Gabriel.
Ang ganda ng boses nito, sarap.
What's up?
What's up? Yeah, what's up, bro? Hello. Pick up line.
Lipstick mo body spray.
Bakit?
Ay kasi ng labi mo eh.
Yeah, thank you. Ang laki ng labi mo. Contestant number 3. Sayaw.
Sawadee I'm Joseph. Colin. Hello, kailangan kita dito.
Ay, sorry. Kasi siya ang harap niya eh. Ano po yan?
Kapit baraan ka ba?
Kaping balako, bakit?
Kaya mo ba ako paglaban?
Oh, kayang ipaglaban, kabog. Kaping balako ka ba, kuya? Binabangungot kasi ako. You, no one, solo. No, one by one. One by one. Oh, that's one. Oh, ay, Jabong twins. Okay. Yes, introduce yourself.
So, I am JB from France.
Wow. Okay.
Are you a monkey?
Are you a monkey? Monkey pala. Why monkey?
You eat my banana?
Can you eat my banana? That's not a banana. That's they're juicy like that. Thank you so much. Ayan. And dahil nakilala natin sila lahat, tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang gusto nyong ay, ikaw pa. You. Ang hirap. What's your pick-up line?
Lionel.
Oh, yes.
That's all.
That's all. You don't have a pick-up line for me? A pick-up? 张小汉，小汉啦，小汉。金小怪，这个怪啦，小汉。English pick-up line. No pick-up line for Lionel because he's the one who hirap kumita ng pera. Hoy, support. Support ka ng English dyan. Wala kang tulong, hoy. Thank you so much. Call the three. At bayan, tawagin natin yung tatlo. Tingnan natin kung sino ang matitira. Kailangan ko lang ng tatlo eh. Oo, sige. Palakpakan portion tayo ha. Para dito kay number 1. Yes. Number 2. Number 3. Ito kambal. Number 4. Ay, naku, mahina So, ang pasok yung tatlong Pilipino. Thank you so much, boys. You didn't make it to the finals. So, the 3 of them will stay. But before you stay, because in the Philippines, we, courtesy. Thank you for joining. Wait, don't be fast. Kuya, love song. Wait, we'll say goodbye to each other. Okay, but you're not the winner, so is it okay?
I don't mind.
Okay, so thank you for joining. I appreciate your effort. Thank you. We will count 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5. Sandali naman kayo, ang babastos ninyo. Baka wala na akong trabaho sa Maynila. Sabihin sa embassy pa talaga ako naging popo. Thank you, boys. Yes, thank you for being a good sport, guys. Thank you for being a good sport. And thank you for joining. Thank you so much. And congratulations to the three of you. Palakpakan natin sila. Thank you, boys. Etong tatlong to, dahil sila ang naiiwan sa ating contest. Ang next na mangyayari dyan ngayon, di ba nanonood naman kayo ng Hotspot, yung mga latest na showbiz chika ko sa ABS-CBN. Gusto ko kasi yung magiging boyfriend ko, yung magiging partner ko, parang reporter din, katulad ko. So ang talent portion nila, kailangan nilang maging reporter at pag-usapan natin kung ano ang bago sa Western Union, di ba? Kaya boys, pili na kayo.